Before I give you a math lesson about probability, I want to tell you something about chickens, a very interesting subject. Chickens, just like human beings, the majority of chickens are right-footed, meaning if they are fending a creature away and kick at them with their claws, they would use their right foot. If they're starting to take off, like they're running away, chickens push off first with their right foot. There's many ways that chickens are similar to humans. That's just one. We're going to develop a probability model from equally likely events. So basically we're going to come up with the theoretical probability based on equally likely events. In this case, we have a spinner, and each of the sections of the spinner are the same area. So our first example, we're going to spin the spinner. How likely is it to come up with an A? What's the probability of getting a B, a probability of a C, and the probability of getting D? Well, they're equally likely, and since there's 4 possibilities, there's a 1 in 4 chance for each one of the probabilities. So the probability of each of those is 1 out of 4. Now example 2, we're going to think about random selection or random sampling. If we had 31 students in a classroom, 17 are boys and 14 are girls, and we put all their names in a hat, and we're going to give a prize to one of the students randomly. Now if we pull out a name, what is the likelihood, what's the probability that the student will be a boy? Well, since there's 17 out of 31 students are boys, the probability of getting a boy is 17 out of 31. But what is the probability that the student would be Reggie Johnson? Well, he's one of the 31 students, but he has no more likelihood of being picked than anyone else. In fact, he has the same possibility, so he has 1 chance out of 31.